My company's name is Midland Galvanizing Products Limited. This plant is very old plant. It is working for more than 3 decades. We started this plant in 1976. This plant was incorporated, and we started our manufacturing from 1978, 1979. We started with sheet by sheet galvanizing line. We are manufacturing galvanized iron roofing sheets, which is used for building, for the household applications, for commercial roofing, for industrial roofing. That is what we are manufacturing here. This plant was started in 1978, and after that we have gone on making a lot of technical changes and innovations. And from sheet by sheet line, first we went to the continuous galvanizing lines. Then in this century, around 2003, we started one of the very modern plant in Nigeria. That was the first plant of its type, continuous galvanizing line, where we produce galvanized steel coils, starting from cold rolled steel coils, and then coated, and then we get the coils. After the coils are produced, then we form it in different shape for as per the requirement of the users. In 2009, we went for major expansion of the plant, wherein we installed one galvanizing plant, which not only do the galvanizing or zinc coating, it is for galvalume production also. Galvalume means it is, instead of zinc, it is coating of zinc and aluminum. And you know that aluminum is having very high resistance to the corrosive atmosphere. So that plant also we started in 2009. And this plant, known as the non-ox process, this is the only plant till today in total Western Africa, not only in Nigeria, total Western Africa. That is the most modern plant. We are manufacturing in that plant. Under our manufacturing ranges, it is not only the galvanized steel roofing sheets. We are doing color coating also. So galvanized color coated materials also we are manufacturing. And then we are cutting, we are forming, or we are forming and cutting in different profiles, like corrugated profiles, then different industrial profiles, even step tiles. In various profiles we are making as per the requirement of the customers. We have one more division here, which is known as long span division. There what we do, that instead of making the roofing sheets in standard sizes, we go, our two technical people go, they do the assessment, they do complete measurement of the building, what type of roofing is required, and we make very long sheets such that one sheet covers full length of the building, full width of the building. So that also we have started doing. And in Nigeria, you will find the houses, that where we have colored roofings for the, especially for the houses, for commercial complexes, for those things. That we go there, we do the measurement, we make very long sheets. We make sheets up to 20 meters length, single sheet. Up to 65 feet length sheets we are making here. We are shifting there. We are getting it installed. We have expert installers here. We have 4 or 5 installers here who are doing the job for us. We are installing it, and then we are handing over the buildings.
Okay. Why do you choose Ogun State to site your location, your
Yeah. See, being in Ogun State, our major port in Nigeria is Lagos, Apapa and Tinken. We are having a major port here because basic raw material was being imported. Now we have started one cold rolling plant here from raw material can come here, but there also their raw material is imported. So you can say that almost 90% of the raw material which is coming to the Lagos port, that is steel. Balance about 10% is zinc, that is also imported because we are not manufacturing in this country. So Lagos being the nearest port, and then this is state of Ogun state, where government has given a lot of facilities for the industries to come up to develop. We are getting all type of help from the Ogun state government. And that was the reason it is located basically in the center of Nigeria. So from here, we can cover total Nigeria, whether it is north or extreme north or northeast, or we are going to east and southwest, all areas we are covering from here. But here, all infrastructures and other things, how is the infrastructures in Nigeria. So from when our material is coming to Lagos port, from there we are bringing here, which is the nearest. We get it just in few hours. We get our material here. We are manufacturing here. And then from here, we are distributing to all the places.
Are you happy with the Ogun State government?
Ogun State government, we are getting a lot of helps. We are getting a lot of help. For any problem, anything we go to them, they are helping us. They are helping us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And are you happy with the Commerce and Industry Ministry? Are you happy
Yes,
with them?
we are getting the
You have
help.
a relationship with them.
Yeah, we have very good relation with all the ministries here in Ogun State. And we are getting the help. They are trying to help us to the best extent possible within their limitations. Like we have problem of power, we have problem of infrastructure in Nigeria. But for the power, they cannot do anything. You know, it is national system. All the power plants are there. So for that, because it is not in their hand and we are not able to get the power, we have gone for our own power plant. We have started power plant here. Earlier, we were running on generators. Now one power plant has started, Tower Power Abekuta Limited. And we are generating power there, and from there it is going to different industries. You know, all major industries are getting power from there.
Okay, what's your employment generation? Employment. How many people are you employing there?
In Midland Galvanizing, as on today, we have about 270 people on roll. That is direct employment. Plus, because of a lot of transportation and other activities and things like that, you can say that other people who are doing the jobs here, intermittently the jobs here, that way also we are employing almost, you can say 100 to 150 people are engaged. But it is not on regular basis, it is on contracts and things like that. So about 100 to 150 people. Plus, because we are selling the material throughout Nigeria. So if you see the transport and people working with the transport companies and dealers and distributors and people with them, this will run in thousands.
Are your products affordable?
Pardon?
Are your products, are they very affordable?
Yes.
Pricing?
In pricing in Nigeria actually, because material which is used is very thin, Here actually product range varies from thin to very thick. So the people who can afford, who have more money, they can spend more money, they can invest more money, but life also becomes more. But majority of the material which is very cheap, prices are very, very low, because material being thin, it is going to the market. It is very thin and very cheap material,
Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate you, and we do promise we'll come back in the near future.
Thank you very much. I am thankful to you. I am thankful to the Ogun State government and especially Ministry of Commerce and Industries who arranged for this program. Thank you very much. Thank you.